Everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to automate a registration form using Cypress. I will show you step by step how to open the website, fill in the form and check if the registration works. So let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on E2E new file and then enter the file name here registration.sci.js. Now enter these lines. First, we need to navigate to the URL and then write the test case. Remove this line. Here, we need to enter the website URL site.visit. Site.visit basically used for open the website into a browser. Copy this complete URL site.visit, navigate to this URL. This is our registration test case. So here enter the test case name, registration, and then callback function, registration automate. Let's run this test and see what happened. npx cypress open. This command is used for open the Cypress. Now Cypress is opening. Maximize the window and select the browser here. Click on E2E. Start E2 testing in Chrome. Our file name is registration. So here we need to select registration test file registration. First, it will navigate to this URL. URL is opening, and here you can view this page is open after navigate to this URL. Now we need to click here on register. Copy this, open VS Code, and here enter sci.get. We do not need to enter here sci.get because we have already copy. So just enter here click method. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then click on the register link. Format document, save this test file, and the Cypress will automatically run the test. Click on register. Now, in this form, we need to enter data in these fields: first name, last name, address, city, states, zip code, phone, and username. After enter the username, we need to enter the password, confirm, and then click on the register button. For locating this element, right click here, inspect, and here you can view ID is available for customer dot first name. Input, and this is ID. So here we need to enter ID is equal to customer first name. Make sure the ID is unique here. As you can view, this area has been highlighted. It means this ID is unique. We can use this ID. Copy this one and enter here sci dot get, and then enter the ID here. After enter the ID, we need to type text here in first name field. So here we will use type and then enter the text here. User test user. Now, same as well, we need to enter the last name, copy this lines. We have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have total 11 fields. Now, enter the ID for last name, right click here, inspect. After inspect, and here ID is available for last name. Enter the ID here. We can enter the randomly data here, user A. After enter the first name, last name, we need to enter the text here in address field. So right click here, inspect, copy this ID and enter the ID here. We have added the IDs for first name, last name, address. Now enter the IDs for city, right click, inspect, and here ID is customer.address.city. Customer.address.city. Change the ID here for city. Now right click on state field, inspect, and copy this ID for state and enter the ID for state. Same as well, we need to change the value here for address. We can enter the randomly address here, address test, and then enter the city test city, and then enter the state ABC. This is the state name. Now, after enter the state name, we need to enter the zip code. Right click, inspect, and ID is available for zip code. Change the ID here, first name to zip code. Now we have done for first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code. After enter the zip code, we need to enter the full name. Right click here, inspect, and here ID and name both are available. We can locate by ID as well by name. Change the ID here, phone number, and then enter the SSN. Inspect and copy this ID and enter the ID here. Enter zip code randomly and then enter the phone name here. After enter the phone name, enter the SSN. Now, after enter the SSN, we need to enter the username, password, and then enter the confirm password. Right click here, inspect, and here ID is customer dot username. Customer dot username, and this is username user ABC. We can enter the randomly data here for testing purpose. Now enter the password into the password field. Right click, inspect customer dot passwords. ID is available here. Make sure enter the password and confirm both are same. ABC 123. Now we have completed for password. After enter the password, we need to enter the confirm password and then click on the submit button. Right click here, inspect, and here ID is repeated password. The, the ID for confirm password maybe C123. After enter the username, password, and confirm password, we need to click on register. Click here and then click here register. Copy this for register button and put here dot click. We need to click on the register button, so here we enter dot click method. Now we have enter the first name, last name, address, city, state, everything is fine. Now we can run our test, save this test file, and Cypress is running the test. Enter the details into the fields, and here we are getting some error for SSN. Let's check. Here we enter the ID is wrong for SSN. Remove this and again run the test. Enter username, password, everything, and then click on register. And here you can view your account was created successfully. You are now logging. That's all for video on automating a registration form in Cypress. If you found it helpful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to SK World for more easy automation tutorials. If you have any question or idea for future videos, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.